for long answers, 7 marks questions. We will be having some 7 types, 7 different types of questions. Out of the 7 types only, you'll get one long answer. 7 marks. So anyhow, that how many questions are going to come, everything I'll message you in WhatsApp so that you can easily have that one. All 7 marks, 2 marks and 4 marks question I'll send you after completion of this one. So total 7 types of long answers. Type 1. Numerator you will get 1, and in denominator either sin x will be there with constant term, cos x will be there with constant term, or you will get both terms. Sin 2x sometimes with constant term, cos 2x with, or both terms you will get without any square. Without any square you will get this one. Any question? Suppose you will get in this form. Sin x plus cos x plus 2, or integral 1 by sin 2x plus 4 dx, or integral 1 by sin 2x plus cos 2x plus 5, or integral sin x by sin x plus 5. See, in these all the cases, what is it? Numerator is 1. So numerator is 1, denominator has sin and cos and 2. So this is type 1. This is also type 1 because numerator is 1, denominator is having sin and cos term. Here also this is also type 1, but this is not type 1 because we find numerator sin x. This is not the type 1. Suppose we have 1 by sin square x plus cos square x. This is also does not belongs to type 1. Type 1 means what type of questions you have in type 1? Numerator should be 1 and denominator should be sin term, cos term, or both the terms with constant or without constant. If any question is in type 1, what you should do is you have to convert that sin terms in terms of tan. 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Cos x equals to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Suppose if you find sin 2x, that time 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. If we have cos 2x, that time 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So this is type 1. This is the type. Let I equals to, by saying this we get to one conclusion that if we find numerator 1 and denominator sin and cos term or both the terms, we have to convert this one in tan. This is working rule. Working rule of this type 1. If you find anything numerator 1 and denominator all the terms without having squares, that time we should convert this one in terms of tan and we have to simplify. After converting in terms of tan, 1 plus sin x, 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx. Why x by 2? Because we don't find 2x there. If 2x means, that time we can take x. Now LCM, this is 1 dx, 1 plus tan square x by 2 is LCM. Here 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. This goes to the numerator. This is 1 plus tan square is secant square x by 2 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 2 Now t is equals to tan x by 2, or you can consider along with constant also. This is substitution method. dt equals to 2 into secant square x by 2 into inner function derivative 1 by 2 into dx. So dt is equals to secant square x by 2 dx. After converting in tan formula, you will get the question in substitution form. Always denominator t equal to tan x by 2 also you can consider. Now this becomes dt divided by t. So if we find dt divided by t, this is log mod t plus c. Log modulus t. T value is 2 tan x by 2 plus 2 plus c. This is I. So one more example you can have. Yeah. Integral dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. Step 1, let I equals to integral 1 dx divided by 4 plus 5 sin x. Then numerator is 1, denominator constant with sign term, which doesn't have square. So this is type 1. You have to think this is type 1. For type 1, what is the working rule? Converting sign in terms of tan. Tan 2x formula, 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this will be 1 dx divided by 4 plus 4 tan square x by 2 plus 10 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is secant square x by 2 and goes to the numerator. 1 plus tan square is secant square. So this is in order 4 tan square x by 2 plus 10 tan x by 2 plus 4. So t is equals to tan x by 2 now. dt is equals to tan derivative is secant square x by 2. Inner function derivative also you should take, then dx. This is 2 dt secant square x by 2 dx. In numerator 2 dt divided by 4t square plus 10t plus 4. Now what type we got this one? Previously what I told you, whenever we find any quadratic function, consider that. Consider this is 1 now. Because we find quadratic function, we should make it a perfect square. 4 common, t square plus 10 by 4t plus 1. Then we have 4 into t square plus this is 5 by 2t plus 1. 5 by 2, half of 5 by 2. 5 by 4. So what we will do? 4 into t square plus 5 by 2t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 1. So this will be t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 by 16 plus 1 by 1. So minus 25 by 16 plus 1 by 1 is how much? 16 minus 25 plus 16, that is minus 9 by 16. So this is 4 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 9 by 16 we got. Minus is not there, so no need of sending inside. We are not changing the terms. 5 plus 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. This is perfect square way. That we put second in 1. So what we will do is we are substituting second in 1. 2 outside, dt divided by 4 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 4 whole square. 4 is outside. Integral 1 dt by t plus 5 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 4 whole square. Now this is 1 by x square plus a square. This is 1 by 2, 1 by a into tan inverse x by a x is t plus 5 by 4 by a plus c. Now after LCM, this is 2 by 3 tan inverse 4t plus 5 by 4 by 3 by 4. What is t? At the end you can substitute the value of t. Substitute it. T is tan x by 2. 2 by 3 tan inverse 4 tan x by 2 plus 5 by 3 plus c. This is type 1. Now I am giving you type 1 work. You should do that one and you have to submit as usual. Or you are submitting in the same way you have to submit it. These are the 4 questions. You have to complete this one and you have to show that to me. This is type 1. More types coming soon.